Hi everyone and welcome to another live trading series. It is a sunny Thursday, October 14th. It's around lunchtime. I'm going to be showing you some trades. As promised, 2 videos this week. I was going to do 3, but just timing and things happened. But this will be a tax-free savings account video. As you know, I only trade in my TFSA once a month. I do just monthlies. You'll see mid-September, now it's mid-October. I'll do another one mid-November. You can only do level 2 options. So you can buy options, which is level 1. Level 2 is just covered calls. So I'm just going to be showing you a bunch of covered calls. I have a few trades planned. I have 9 trades planned actually at around these prices for each. And I don't see a point in showing myself rolling all 9 of them. So I'll probably just do the first 3 or the ones that I think would be interesting. Maybe I'll do these, like some of the cheaper ones. So I'll do maybe Air Canada and then open, maybe Questrade. Okay, so I'll do these 3. Just some of the cheaper ones that more people can afford. I won't show you AMD or Apple. It just might be too expensive. It might be unattainable in your TFSA. I'll just show you snippets of the other trades, and I'll give you a summary of how much I made in premium just for this trading session. If we go, is there anything else? If we just jump right into my portfolio. Again, like as soon as, I finally broke the 110,000 barrier. So I felt for the past few months, every time I hit 110,000, something would happen. It would just tank. I would make a bad move or just go down in value. So hopefully we've been above 110 for a week, not a while. I'm just hoping we stay above that for forever from now on, I guess. So I will show you what my options are looking like. Everything has 1 day to expiration. I sell monthlies. So I was selling the October 15th. Is there anything important here? So Apple, this is worth a penny. I'll close this out. Nothing really big except, so this Bitcoin ETF, BTCC, I sold the 950 call. And now I missed out on, $1,000 because now it's a 10 or so. So yeah, it's 1056. So I missed out a lot, but that's part of the game. Also with open, it ended up mooning after I sold the 19 call. So I'm going to try to roll this. Hopefully I can take it from 19 to 20, or maybe to 21 to try to take advantage of some gain. I'm going to try to roll for a credit as well. So let me try to do that in front of you. I really hope you guys can't hear the construction outside. Like I don't understand how every video of mine has construction in it. It was kind of annoying. Also AMD. AMD ended up mooning. So I sold an at the money 100 call. I thought it would go down, but then it ended up shooting up. So that's, I'm going to try to roll these before they get called away. So I will do Corsair, open, QuantumScape, and then I'll probably fast forward, summarize the rest. So let's do this. Corsair, I need to roll it down because I don't see at a call. So I don't see it going back to 30. I don't see myself making a lot of money. So with Corsair, there's only monthly options available anyway. So you don't have choice for weeklies. So if we look at what the 27 delta looks like, this is 39. I do think this is safe. Corsair won't be, I do not see it going back to 30. So I will be going from the 27. So you have to buy back the exact call you sold. So I sold the 30 strike, 2 contracts, so that's what I'm doing here, buying this back. You will notice that this will say buy to close. This will say sell to open, so you know that you're doing it properly. All right, this looks like a good amount of premium just for something so cheap. So you'll say buy to close, sell to open, you're doing it right. $244, not bad. I'll sell this, all right. 240 here. Let's do open. Now let's do this one. I'll try to roll at a call. I wish they had a roll button. Maybe there is one and I just don't see it. So you have to buy back the exact one you sold. So I sold, what did I? QuantumScape. I sold the 25. Yes, sold the 25. Let's see what the option chain looks like. Does this have weeklies? It does have weeklies, but I'll be doing monthlies because I don't want to end up day trading or getting accused of day trading in this account. So the premium pretty high, which is what I am looking for. So I sell the November 19th. What is this? The 47 delta. So this, it's at 24 right now. So very possible to lose the shares at this price, which is fine. Let's just go up a little bit. This looks like $696. So let's go 690. Let's go open. And then after this, I will fast forward through the other trades. Again, open. If I can roll it up one, let me just see what the roll looks like. So this is just defending my position and kind of managing it because it did go up a lot in price. So you have to buy back the 19, sell November 19th. Let's see what the 20 looks like. Would I still get, oh wow. So this says a debit, so I have to pay, like I won't make any money. Dang, this is what happens when something's so deep in the money, there's not a lot of extrinsic value left. What happens if I go, this is interesting. Let me try to roll it at the same price and try to make a little bit off of it. And it might get called away because it's in the money. It's deep in the money, like by $5 right now. So $160, try to roll at the same strike. I think this should be fine. So if we just look at what I bought it at, I bought at $16.68. So if I end up losing it at $19, that would be fine. Like I am missing out on this 2,800, but that's part of the game. I should have chose a higher strike. So let's go. What was that? I think it was 160, I think. So now, I know you probably want to see me rolling the rest, but I think it just makes more sense if I just fast forward through it and just give you my thoughts in the end. Okay, so for Apple, I'm rolling it out 1 month and I'm going from the 165 call to 155, only making $74. It's not much premium, wow, on Apple, but what can we do? Rolling out my Air Canada trades, there isn't much premium. I do need to sell it at $26 in order to break even. I can't sell any less. So just because it's kind of far away, I need to, I'm not making that much, making $26 a contract, which is $206 total. So rolling an in the money AMD call still gets me $160. So I'm rolling it from 100 in October 15th to 100 November 19th. Even though I'm $12 in the money, I'm still making $160 off of it. Selling BNGO, another month, 10 contracts for $360. All right, so this one is interesting. BTCC, even though it was very deep in the money, I'm still able to roll it from $9.50 to $10, an extra month out, 15 contracts, and still make $255. So I am getting 50 cents extra for all 1,500 shares, which is $750. I should have been able to do that math in my head. $750 if it gets called away, plus the $255. Hope you can't hear it. I can't believe every time I try to film a video, there's construction or someone banging somewhere. Okay, so if this gets called away November 19th, this whole roll I did is another $1,000. Let's go here. So this is, let's call it $250. So there isn't enough, should I do well? There isn't enough premium for me to roll well right now. So I'm just gonna leave it in case the price continues to go up and then maybe I can sell another month out. But the total trades for today give me a sum of $2,134 in my TFSA, which is pretty good. So that's for a month. What is that return? I think I had 112,000. So that's 1.9% return for a month, which is not bad. So if we just go here, margin account, some of my positions are expiring in a day. I think I need to roll Tesla. So I just filmed rolling Tesla from, let me just try to isolate this. So these I can close right now in the, at like 75% profit. I filmed this 2 days ago, just rolling it from $7.95 to $8.15, and now Tesla's right at $8.15. So it's in the money and I kind of have to roll it again. Hopefully I can make a little more there. So this says, if I could just estimate what I can make on this. So I need to roll it out another 7 days. Why isn't it pulling up? So if I already rolled it to 8.15, so you can see it's in the money because it's 8.18 right now. So if I go out another 7 days, I can, roll another $10. but I'm not making that. I'm trying to make like 400 a week off of this, but thankfully the leap keeps going up. So, you know, I don't mind if it does get, you know, if I do get assigned, I can deal with it then. But yeah, let me leave this here. It's probably just a long video. I'm going to edit out a lot. You know, I just did 9 trades and I feel like it's too much for one video. It's kind of the same thing over and over. So I'm going to leave it here. Tune into my next video where I show you how to roll these AMD strangles. Let's isolate that. So AMD, I'm up 1,500 on the strangle. And then I'll show you how to roll square. I'm up $680 on this strangle. But yeah, strangles are probably my favorite because see, I'm double dipping in the income here. I'm only making money on one side on this strangle because AMD is going up. So, you know, make a lot of money on the put side, losing money on the call side, but then I can follow the price up, which is what I love about strangles. 15 days to expiration. I'll sell another 14, maybe on Monday, and I'll film that and I'll show you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Tune in to the next one.